Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of another review for video for RNSIT. So we know RNSIT is one of the top engineering colleges in Bangalore, and part of kcet and comet. So I'm going to review the Department of Electronics and Communication and Electronics and Instrumentation. So basically two branches, a complete review with respect to the courses and the placements. I will also take the maximum salaries, minimum salary and average salaries which happens in those branches, right? So this is about Department of Electronics and Communication. Started in 2001, so it's already 20 years old department, and it's a college rank is between 251 to 300 as per the NRF, and it's a NAC A grade college. So specifically ECE, if you see, it started in 2000. It has intake of 180 seats. It is a part of the courses. Very good stress on VLSI design and embedded system, image signal processing, computer and wireless, cryptography, AI, ML, and radio frequency robotics, and the analog and circuit design. So those are and this is supported by large number of center of excellence, R&D centers, alumni interactions, and the conferences, and the meetups with the exclusive entrepreneur and the development cell. Good number of MOU with industries, right, which for example companies like Bosch, Rexforth, and Epitome, right? So those industries, those helps in getting summer internship, getting good laboratories with those companies, and also the placement part of it, the student part of it. So placement for this department is more than 70%, typically 80%, and the average salary it's saying is 7 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary is 19 lakhs. So these are the figures given by the college. More than 70%, that is 80% placement. 15% of the students also go for the higher studies, right? And a lot of and some of the students also prepare for GATE and the other exam. So those are mentioned here, right? And these are few of the students VTU ranks part of it. And this is the same thing with placement which I touched upon. If you see the last 4 years figure, right, total number of placements offered were 199 in EC, 249, 172. So there were more offers than the total number of students. That each student have many offers in some of the for some of the students, and this is the same average salary 7, and number of companies visited are 60 lakhs. So placement percentage, if you see, it's quite good: 90, 90, 97, 91, 93, 99. And so this is only for the last 4 years it has maintained. Now the companies which recruit students typically from the electronics department, other companies like Accenture, Amazon. It will not be a mass recruitment, and there are a lot of companies, but there will be one or two, which is from the typical like Amazon or Accenture will be more, and there will be specific companies like Bosch. Then there will be global Indian companies like Infosys, Cognizant, TCS, global companies like Tech, Entity Data, Virtusa, VMware, and so on, right? So some of the snapshot, these are the higher salaries, like 14 lakhs Texas Instrument, very good company, 14 lakh salary for 3 students, which you can see here, right? So this is based on the previous year, and this is the average salary. So that was the highest salary, but all students will not get that. Zaro Education 6.6, Accenture 6.5. So these are the typical average salaries and the average companies which will be taking in that salary range, right? Is 6 lakh Surya Software, right? And so Maths company, right, 4.5 lakhs. So that's all I have to cover, and there are 180, 190 students get. Now coming to the second branch which I'm going to cover here is electronics and instrumentation also, right? So I just want to show that it is little bit lesser than ECE, but it has also a decent placement. Accenture, you see students getting from 6.5 to 4.5 lakhs salary. Mindtree 3.5 lakhs, TCS 3.5 lakhs, IntelliPat 5.5 lakhs, and 8 lakhs at Acuvin Solutions. So typically you are seeing 8 lakhs is the highest salary in this students from ENI, and this is the second sheet which I wanted to show. Similar salary range. So it's particularly 4 to 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs is what you can expect in this electronics and instrumentation. Companies are good companies. Accenture, NoBroker, Bristol, Cone, Verizio, and Microsoft 8.5 lakhs is the highest salary. You can see here 10 lakhs is Lido Learning. So ENI also is a good. 10 lakhs is the highest salary. If you see both the sheets put together, 10 lakhs is a highest compared to EC. It is little less, but that's all good placement it has. So you can also take ENI branch if you are getting here, but the placement percentage will be much less than EACE, which will be around 50%, right? So that's all I have to cover. If you have any other further question, please write to me, and I'll be covering all branches of the engineering. And thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe the channel. Also like this video.